In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add education details on Glassdoor. Complete Profile 2026. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. This works on desktop or mobile, but I recommend a desktop for a clearer view of the profile tools. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. You can log in using your usual credentials or a connected account. Just use whatever you normally use and get to your dashboard quickly. After you log in, you'll land on your community home. This is the hub where you see updates, saved jobs, and profile prompts. From here, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. That opens a small menu with key profile options. Choose Resume and Experiences to access the area where Glassdoor manages your profile details, including education. On this page, look for the Resume section. This is the crucial part. Glassdoor pulls your education details automatically from your uploaded resume. That means your resume needs a clear education section for the system to detect it accurately. To make parsing smooth, keep the heading labeled Education. List your school names, degrees, fields of study, and graduation dates in plain text, and avoid putting that information inside images or complex tables. Simple formatting works best. A PDF or docs file that's text-based is ideal. Now, upload your resume from your computer. You can drag and drop the file or click to browse and select it. Once the upload finishes, Glassdoor scans your resume and automatically adds your educational information to your profile. Give it a moment. Parsing can take a few seconds. When it's done, review what Glassdoor captured. Check that school names are correct, degrees are listed properly, and dates look right. If anything appears off, streamline the formatting in your resume, make the education section clearer or remove extra columns, and upload the updated file again for a cleaner import. Keeping your degree names consistent and using standard abbreviations helps the parser recognize everything. A quick tip on privacy. Consider leaving out sensitive personal details from your resume before uploading, like a full home address. Focus the document on professional information, education, experience, skills. So what's important is exactly what you want visible. And that's it. You went to Glassdoor, signed in, opened Resume and Experiences, located the Resume section, uploaded your resume, and let Glassdoor autofill your education details. Keep your resume current, and your profile will stay accurate whenever you re-upload. Thanks for watching, and good luck polishing your profile.